So a compound mallet is a mallet that is made from two separate parts. You have the handle and the head. We have a lot of them at Wheaton Labs because people are always making them. They come in handy for a few different reasons. The kindling crackers and firewood, but you can also use a smaller mallet to pound in a dowel, attach things together, that kind of thing. And then you can also make a mallet with just one stick like this one. When making a mallet like this without using any fasteners or glue, it's important to use green wood and dry wood. When green wood, which was freshly cut, dries, it actually shrinks. And so if you use this to your advantage, the head can shrink onto the handle and create a strong joint. I have this moisture meter. You can stick it into a piece of wood and see what percentage moisture it is. So this one's about 50%. 12% for this handle. That should be dry enough relative to the head to get that tight fit and that shrinkage effect. So I'm going to take the bark off of these pieces of wood and then we'll go from there. I shortened them down to about the size I want them. The handle might be shortened later, but I actually want to do some shaping on the head. So this is what I'm going to use to form the handle. It's called a rounding plane. You basically have your piece of wood and you'll put it in one end and it'll come out the other end a specific dimension. It kind of just works like a pencil sharpener. So this is a 1-inch rounding plane. So everything that comes out of this end will have a 1-inch diameter. Okay, before I get into putting these two together, I'm gonna round off these edges. Next up, I'm going to be making the hole in the head of the mallet so that the handle can fit into it. In this last step, I'm gonna need a mallet. So all that's left to do is put this handle in, really. All right, here it is. I'll give you a closer look at it. I'm definitely going to shorten the handle. And so all that's left to do is allow this greener wood to dry. And as it does that, it will strengthen this joint and make sure the handle doesn't come out. Roundwood compound mallet. If you like this sort of thing, come check out the forums at permies.com, where we talk about compound mallets, homesteading, and permaculture all the time.